This is Regensify. This is their whole system. It includes a shampoo, a conditioner, and a serum. It adds powerful vitamins to your hair while blocking DHT. What does that do? I'm so glad you asked. DHT is the hormone that causes hair loss. It's much more prevalent in men. However, it does affect us ladies too as we age. So my hair started thinning around the age of 47 years old, so I'm always eager to try anything that might thicken it up. And that's why I was super excited about my partnership with Regensify. I wanted to give it a try, so I wanted to give it a clean try. I wanted to use it for 2 months. So I've been using it about 2 months. I've noticed my hair getting a bit thicker, and I'm having to wash it less in between styles. Now I look at a style and I wonder, how many days can I get out of it before I have to shampoo it again? So when using the serum, it doesn't make your hair greasy at all. I do recommend dropping it directly on the scalp and then massage it in and let it dry and then style it. If you've tried minoxidil and if minoxidil doesn't work for you, you can consider giving Regensify a try. For those who find that Shiatsu Adenovitol is too expensive, you can try Regensify because their products do contain adenosine. So their shampoos and conditioners are about 500 milliliters, about 16 or 17 fluid ounces approximately. Regensify's serum is 2 fluid ounces, and in terms of price to volume, the Redensyl serum is still more value for money than the Axol or United Pure Redensyl serum. So great system.